Born to run, baby. Born to run. Welcome to the De Leon.
Well, hello, fellow hobbyists and slot car enthusiasts. This is Rob De Leon with the De Leon Hobby Garage. My channel used to be called the De Leon Slot Car Raceway, but as I've decided to start expanding some of my hobby disciplines, I decided to maybe start incorporating those into my channel. I still don't have my slot car track here, so there's really no way for me to do any slot car racing, but I will incorporate a slot car in this video. What I thought I would do is incorporate some of my RC crawling stuff. I have a pretty extensive RC collection. I've been collecting RCs probably since the 1980s. I also do a little bit of, well, I'm not going to say a little bit. I've also collected Hot Wheels and die-cast since the early 70s. And I do some sim racing here and there. And I also do model building. So I kind of wanted to add some of those other hobby disciplines into my channel, hence the name change. What I thought I would do here, since I don't really have a slot car track to show you, I'm going to include a slot car here so I can say it's an actual slot car video. But I thought I would do this in the old style of the Sunday morning CBS shows, where they showed maybe about 2 minutes of just nature without any talking, no commentary. And my dad always used to love that, and so I've always wanted to do something like that. So I'll incorporate that here. So without further ado, let's take a look at the slot car first, and then we'll start the rest of the video. So this is the Porsche 911 from Ninco. And actually, I haven't driven this one yet. I bought this last year at the Father's Day show at Electric Dreams. And it's a beautiful car. Can't wait to get it on a track. But so there, I told you I was going to have a sort of slot car video, and there's a slot car.